Here I am testing out my 3D chocolate printer, this time with the syringe pump. The plunger of the syringe is being pulled down by a pusher attached to a lead screw, and as that begins to turn slowly it begins to apply pressure and the chocolate begins to squidge out from the syringe's nozzle. There it goes, beginning to draw the outline of the shape. I can recognise the shape, so it is actually following the pattern correctly. Speeding up the process now, we can see it completes the outline, and we're going to skip ahead again now and we're going to start seeing how it fills in inside the outline for that first layer. This shape has only got 2 layers, and here we are towards the end of the print now as it's beginning to fill in that second layer, filling in all the gaps, and we've actually got something extruded that's a recognisable shape. I'm really pleased this syringe appears to work.